Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful double circled skirt. Now, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish a new video. Okay guys, I'll be using this beautiful English fabric for the tutorial. Now for the length of the skirt, I'll measure 21 inches. It's going to be a high waistband with 3 inches to be 2.5. I'll cut it 3 inches so that it will end up 2.5 inches. So for this skirt, what I need is just the length of the skirt and my waist measurement. So the waist measurement I'll be using is 23 inches. So I'm going to divide it into, is a double circled skirt. So that means I'll be cutting the circle into 2 pieces to make it to be very full. Okay, for the fabric I'm using 2.5 yards of fabric is by 56. So I'm going to fold it into 2. You can see it. I'll be cutting the 2 circles together. Is on fold. That is, if I divide it into 2, I'm having 28 inches each for each piece. Now I'm going to fold it this way, then fold it again. So preferably you can go ahead and cut this edge out, but I'm putting both of them together. So we're having 8 pieces instead of 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll go ahead and pin it. Okay, the waist measurement is 23 inches divided by 12 will give me 1.9 something. So I'm going to approximate it to be 2 inches. That is, the radius will be 2 inches. So I'll mark 2 inches here. Now for the length of the skirt, I'll measure 21 inches. Because of the band, I'm reducing it. So this is 19 inches, 19.5. I will use ½ inch for my seam allowance. So I'm going to mark 19.5 all through. Okay. I'll join the lines together. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, I've cut it out. So I'll open it up. I'm having two pieces. So I'll go ahead and cut this edge. I'll do the same thing to the second piece. Now the next thing I'll do is to open it this way, like so. I'll still place the second one, the second piece, right side facing each other. Now I'll pin these two edges together. Now the next thing to do is to sew it. I'll sew this edge. I'll take it with 1/2 inch. The same thing to the second one, but at this time I will leave 6 inches for, okay, I will leave 6 inches for my zipper here. This for the zipper. So I'll go ahead and close it up with 1/2 inch. I will sew it now. After it, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Okay guys, I've sewn the two edges, leaving the zipper side. So by the time I open it up, this is how it will be. The next thing now is to cut the band. Remember the waist measurement is 23 inches. So I will cut exactly 23 because I want it to be tight. So by the time I finish sewing, it will end up with 22 inches. That's for the length. So I will cut 23 inches by 3 inches on fold. This is 3 inches on fold. Now we are cutting 23 inches, but to be on a safe side, I want to cut it 26 so that after it I'll cut off the excess. It's better to cut off the excess than maybe it didn't reach. So I'm gonna cut 26 inches for the length, 26 by 3 inches on fold. That 3 inches is on fold, that is 6 inches. Now this is for the band. Okay guys, the next thing now is to fix the band. Now for the band, I take the right side of the band and place it at the wrong side of the fabric. Remember we added extra 1 inch, so I'm leaving 1 inch here. So I'm going to take it this way, round to the waistline, so that by the time I am through with the sewing, I'll flip it over this way, then top stitch. So I'm going to top stitch from the front. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and fix it. Then I'll show you the next thing I'll be doing. Okay, I've joined the band. This is the back side. Now I'll fold it this way using 1/2 inch. Then I'll go to my sewing machine now and top stitch it this way. After it, I will show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've fixed the band. You can see it. So the last part of the skirt is to fix my zip. That's my zipper. So this is the zipper. Now I will go ahead and fix my zipper. After it, I will show you the next thing to do. Now I've fixed the zipper. You can see it. So the last part now is to hem the down part. For the down part, you can use your bias. You can fold it in, or you can decide to use industrial weaving on it. Anyone you like, you can go ahead and do it. But I would like to use industrial weaving on it. So guys, after it, I'll show you the final look of the skirt. So this is the last part to sew. Very beautiful, very gorgeous. So guys, I hope this tip is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Bye until I see you in my next video.